G'day everyone, Shane from First National Real Estate in Mudgeeraba again. I'm out here today at one of Mudgeeraba's most premier streets, 15 Wallaby Drive. Now I'm really excited to show you this home. We've got a very large 6-bedroom place here with something extra special for Dad. Let's go check it out. This home has perfect dual living potential. There's 2 fully functional kitchens, 6 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms that can be separated down the middle, and it all gathers down to this centerpiece, large family pool with a brand new deck. Mum's sorted, the kids are sorted, the grandparents are sorted. What's left for Dad? A 16 by 8 metre shed. It's got a shower, it's got a toilet. Just bring your TV and bar fridge and your Sundays are set. For more information, give me a call on the number below.